Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening System Preferences or System Settings. This is where Mac OS centralizes display controls. Once open, click Displays so you can see resolution and scaling options. If you have an external monitor, make sure it's connected and powered. The Mac detects it automatically. You're starting with the built-in Display tab for internal adjustments, which simplifies choices and prevents accidental changes to external screens. You now decide resolution versus scaling. Select Scaled to see alternatives. Choose larger text to increase interface elements or more space to fit more windows. Each trade-off affects clarity and UI size. Make small changes and observe the preview. This helps you avoid eye strain. If you need non-standard resolutions, hold Option while clicking Scaled to reveal extra choices and detect displays. Make sure to compare before committing so you understand the why behind each setting. Finish by fine-tuning brightness and night shift to reduce blue light. These affect perceived size and comfort. If text still feels small, adjust text size and accessibility or increase UI zoom. These preserve resolution but change legibility. Once satisfied, close settings to save. If the display behaves oddly, restart, reset NVRAM, or use Detect Displays. This usually resolves mismatches. If problems persist, try Safe Mode. That narrows down software versus hardware causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.